Let's count and drag the numbers. 4 1 2 3 4 Smart! Let's build numbers. 4 Wow! Let's count and drag the numbers. 4 Nice! Let's build the Try again. Let's build the puzzle. Four. Good one. Let's learn to write the numbers. 4. Good one. Let's learn to write the numbers. 4. Smart. Let's learn to write the numbers. 4. Good job. Great. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. Let's count and drag the numbers. 5 1 2 3 4 5 Great! Let's build numbers. 5 Smart! Let's count and drag the numbers. 5 Nice! Let's build the puzzle. 5 Great! Let's learn to write the numbers. 5 Smart! Let's learn to write the numbers. 5 Good one. Let's learn to write the numbers. 5 Great! Good one. 5 5 5 5 5 5 5
How many objects are there? 3. Great! How many objects are there?
4.
Good job! How many objects are there?
1.
Wow! How many objects are there?
5.
Smart! How many objects are there?
4.
Good one! Wonderful! Let's fill the baskets with fruit.
1.
2,
3. 4. 1.
2.
3.
Smart! Let's fill the baskets with fruit.
1.
2,
3. 4. 1.
2.
3.
Smart! Let's fill the baskets with fruit.
1. 1.
2,
3. 4. 5.
good job! Let's drag the animals and count them.
Monkey. 1.
Good job!
Zebra.
2. Great!
Fox. 3.
Great!
Elephant. 4.
Good one!
Lion. 5.
Well done! Let's fill the baskets with fruit.
1.
2.
3.
Good one! Let's fill the baskets with fruit.
3. 4. 5.
Good one! Let's find a similar number to this.
4.
Good one!
4. 4.
Let's find a similar number to this.
5.
Good job!
5. 5.
Let's find a similar number to this. 2. Great! 2. Let's count and drag the numbers. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good one. Let's build numbers. 6. Good one. Let's count and drag the numbers. 6. Good job. Let's build the puzzle. 6. Good one. Let's learn to write the numbers. Try again. Try again. 6. Nice. Let's learn to write the numbers. 6. Great. Let's learn to write the numbers. 6. Good job. Wow. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6.